Leadership wants me to move faster with the engineering team, but I'm afraid of building up too much tech debt. What should I do?
So you should talk to your leader and tell them about the trade-offs and then make those trade-offs mindfully, right? So as a leader of a company, you might not always be too technical. And this could also be with a client, frankly, if you're an agency or whatever. So you might always have non-technical stakeholders, or ideally you have a manager or a stakeholder that is themselves technical. But in either case, you want to talk to them about the trade-offs and just be mindful. And then you say, okay, look, if we rush here, this will buy us this much time, but it will cost us this much time in the future, and explain them how tech debt works and that tech debt compounds just like real debt, and that too much tech debt can slow you down to a point where you're no longer competitive. And basically frame them and be like, hey, look, if we, don't pay off tech debt for this long, then we need to take this much time later to pay off that tech debt. And paying off tech debt usually involves not making too much progress in terms of features. So I think it's always just about being clear and about making those trade-offs mindfully, because there is no free lunch. Like, you cannot say, hey, let's compromise on quality and then not produce more bugs or produce, more problems down the line. There's no free lunch. So make those trade-offs consciously.